Hello all. I am Anindita Chakraborty.
I am Aditya Chakraborty. Today, on the occasion of Teachers' Day on 5th September,
We, Anindita and Aditya, made an app for all the teachers of this nation.
we personally believe that we learn from everyone and everything around, no matter how big or how small they are.
Our parents are our biggest teachers according to us.
Our respect towards all teachers on this auspicious day of theirs.
Let us show you the app which we made. So as we all know, today is the birthday of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was an Indian academic, professor, philosopher and a politician who served as the first Vice President of India and the second President of India. He was born in Tiruttanni, Madras Presidency, British India in 5th September 1888. He was awarded with Bharat Ratna in 1954 and with Templeton Prize in 1975. Radhakrishnan believed that teachers should be the best minds in the country. Since 1962, his birthday has been celebrated in India as Teachers' Day on 5th September every year. He died on 17th April 1975 in Chennai.
The teachers for whom we got to see the beautiful world around our mom and dad, a big thank you to both of you. Love you.
According to us, Mother Nature is also a teacher to us. From her, we learn to be disciplined in life no matter whatever happens to us. One more thing we learned is self-sacrifice from nature. They keep on giving us everything but never ever ask for something in return until we provide them with. Thank you, Mother Nature.
Some of our caring school teachers.
Some of our other teachers.
We believe that we can learn something from almost everyone, say from elders or youngers. Happy Teachers' Day to all.
A big thank you to all of you. We truly and solely appreciate the efforts you made and you are making now, teachers. Our respect towards you on this auspicious day of yours.
Made with Anindita and Aditya.